Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Let's just get right into this. So this weekend I decided that it would be a good idea to get my nails done. Something I don't normally do. At first they were great, they were wonderful. I was like, yes, I've been wanting yellow nails for so long. So when I got there they had yellow, so I decided to get yellow. So they looked great. I'm gonna insert a picture right here. And then a few hours later they just started to look a little bit troubled. They didn't look good anymore. It was literally the same day. Let me just keep you a little bit updated on what those look like now, and then I'll tell you what we're gonna do today. So today we are going to be fixing that. We're gonna do it. We are gonna be our own nail salon person. So what that involves is we're going to Target. That's how every day starts. Let's be real, we go to Target. This is not any regular trip to Target. We're getting nail polish. But not any nail polish remover. We have to get nail polish remover with no acetone, so that my nails don't fall off, because like I still want them on, I just don't want them to look like this. Yeah, so let's go to Target. Go hide and watch the sunrise. It's literally my jam. I mean, people are looking at me in the car right now, but like, do I care? Actually, I do a little bit. Out here in Target, let's go. So our Target run was very successful. I got some non-acetone nail polish remover, and I also just picked up some Nutella because like it sounded really good. And see you at home so I can fix my nail problem. Now we are going to try to fix my nails. So it's not coming off. It has sort of come off a little bit, but like I'm having to scrub a lot harder than like I originally planned to work. So we did our research, we looked online, and it said to use a nail file to get the polish off. So just a little update for you all. Ew, I don't know what that is, but it's mostly off. I'm just happy that the nail file thing worked and that it's off, because it was honestly just making me mad that I paid money and it looks like that. So the next thing that we're going to do is put a clear coat of this big coat / top coat stuff. Not sure what my hair is right now, but we have dry nails now, and we are on to the final step of this nail transformation. We're going to put this yellow on and hope that it matches. Might need 2 coats. I'm so happy with how the color is going with it. Obviously I have to really like clean it up a bit and put another coat on, but like the color matches really well, so I'm happy about that. So just finished fixing my nails, and I decided that I kind of want to make a good old snack. And it's not just any snack, it is
Mickey Mouse shaped Rice Krispie bar.
Okay, so I started to get everything out of the cupboards, and I realized that we don't have marshmallows. Like, I totally thought we did because it's like summer and we made s'mores, but it says that we need mini ones and we don't even have regular ones. So looks like this video is taking 2 trips to Target. Yeah, just made it to Target, and we went to the bank. We got our marshmallows, and I almost thought that Target didn't have them, but then like I just kept looking, and then they had them. I was like about to be really disappointed in Target, because like Target's my number one, but if they didn't have marshmallows, we'd have a bit of an issue, but they did. So Target, still love you. We're back in Target with our marshmallows. They literally smell so good. Let's eat one. I've never had a marshmallow before, like, fun fact. So this recipe calls for 6 cups of cereal, but we don't want to make that much, because basically just for me. Melt butter in a large saucepan on low heat. Add marshmallows. Okay, so now we have this really tiny pan. I hope it's not too small. So we're going to do half. So 1.5 tablespoons of butter. We're using non-butter oil, whatever it is. Next, we need to figure out how we're gonna get half of this bag. Like, how does that work? If the whole thing is 10 ounces, we'll just do it till it looks like half the bag. There we go. This is Ellie Messman, and you are watching Disney Channel. Okay, that looks like it's melted. So now, let's get half the bag in there. God, that looks so good. I can't wait to eat this. We remove it from the heat, and we're gonna add 3 cups of Rice Krispies cereal. This is the tiniest pan ever to try to mix something in. Okay, now we will do the pouring of the Rice Krispies onto the parchment paper. And I'm just gonna smush it down. And then, since we're making them into Mickey Mouse shapes, we kind of probably have to like let it sit for a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna put this in the fridge. We're gonna give her about 15 minutes, and we'll probably find something to do in the meantime. So while that's in the fridge, I almost said the freezer, but we're good. The fridge. I thought, why not just have a little conversation? I'm gonna go on Pinterest and look up 2018 trends, and we're gonna see what comes up. Okay, ready? So here we've got some floral things. Yeah, I would agree with that is trendy. That bathroom, I don't know what is trendy for bathrooms. Well, we've got some pinks and greens. I mean, she's pretty trendy. The rest of this, I don't know. This is different than I thought it would be. Oh my God. So trendy. It's so trendy. Coachella. That is pretty trendy for 2018. We've got this skirt with a belt. Belts are really trendy right now. Tying the shirt is really trendy. Weird hats and accessories are very trendy right now. I'm just really agreeing with this one. That's probably not like the exact trends, but like just some things that are trending or have the keyword trend, but yeah. But that got me like thinking a little bit, and I was like, what is my favorite trend of 2018? And I would have to say, I really like the trend of just like accessorizing more. Like, I really like scrunchies, which weren't a 2018 thing. I know they were like 2016, but like that's when people first started wearing them again, maybe 2017. But like, they're just part of my like accessories that I like, so like don't at me. Just like really bright like accent like shoes or like nails or else the weird sunglass trend. That is like, yes, I love weird sunglasses and like hats. Like hats used to be like in, but they're not really anymore. But like they're coming back, and it's great. So yeah, that was my little favorite trend of 2018, little random thing that I decided to come up with because I'm so bored waiting for these Rice Krispies to be like whatever they have to do. You know what it is? It is time. It is time for the Rice Krispies. We're gonna take the Rice Krispies out of the fridge and then we're gonna make them into Mickey shapes. Let's go! I think that they got fairly good. For the taste test, we are gonna try our Mickey Mouse Rice Krispie treats. Okay, literally so good. I'm literally just like the best chef in the world. Okay, so now that we finished those Rice Krispie treats and we fixed my nails, this was a very successful day. And I'm glad you guys could come and spend it with me. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.